So, there I was, minding my own business, playing this game called two-player games. Because who needs productivity when you can just waste whole day sleeping, eating, playing, and repeat, right? And then I thought of something great. Can I remake this game in 1 hour? Like everyone, I'll start from beginning because last will come at last. That was stupid. In this game, you are apparently a bat, or maybe this is your bat, and bot has a bat. And both of you try to bounce ball off your bat. Sounds simple, right? You could have just said like table tennis. Oh yeah, that's... We'll start the timer for 1 hour and we'll start with creating a new project in the Godot engine. I started off with creating a cozy background, which is just this colored rectangle, and then I added table where the players will play, and then started with creating players. And for the AI bot, I just made a copy of it. Then I added a ball and then I added a collision shape to it so that it can be hit. I meant while playing using the bat. And then I added two labels to the scene where the scores will be displayed, because nobody wants to play any game for eternity.
Oh, except this one.
At this point, even though nothing works, I'm very proud of myself because at least it looks good. I mean, not that good, but good. And then comes the most important part, which I don't know how to do. So I went to Big Boss, ChatGPT. And ChatGPT spilled out some code which I totally understood in the first try. And then I started copying those code snippets to my project and editing it. And for some reason there are two balls in the game, that two blinking, and the AI bot is phasing through space for some reason. Then when I was looking for fix using ChatGPT, I remembered that there was a newer model released, DeepSeek, which I can probably use to fix this issue. So I went to DeepSeek with my problems, and DeepSeek was smart enough to give correct code and logic, but still it doesn't work as expected. So it was time for me to lock in. And after coding and reading documentation for a straight 20 minutes, few things seem to work. Yeah, few things. Because it's not as easy as it looks, believe me. Then I made some changes in the UI of table so that it looks a little better, but still there were several things that don't work, like score counter, game restart after the player scores a point, and some other things. So I quickly started to troubleshoot the game and fix those small issues with my own small brain. So I have done some changes to the code and now the bot seems to work. Okay, now as the main part of the game is working, I mean not exactly working, but yeah, I'll count that as working. Yeah. So I'll start coding the scoring part. Okay, so whenever the ball goes outside in the play side, we'll give score to bot, and whenever it goes outside in bot side, we'll give score player. Yeah, now it's working, and by now the time is up, which is quite sad to see because I haven't had much progress in this thing and it's not working as expected. I actually thought of completing this game and publishing it in some store, but while making it is just taking a lot of my time. I don't think it's worth my time because I'm working on another game which is a kind of platformer plus speedrunning game. And I guess that's it for this video, and thank you if you have watched till here. And I don't know what you are doing in life, but one thing which I know is you should subscribe because making videos like this is hard. I mean, hard for me as I'm noob. So yeah, just hit the button hard like you hit your winner.